This video tutorial describes how to use the app for automatic registration to align your Faro focus raw data, in few guided steps without any target, sphere or reference point. As first step, we will show how to create a new project and import your FLS files. As second step, it will be shown how to automatically pre-process the clouds to prepare the data for the automatic alignment. The third step deals with how to move all scans in a state of course registration without any target, sphere or reference point. The fourth step shows how to interactively control the quality of the previous pre-registration step, by comparing pre-aligned scans pair by pair. As fifth step, it will be shown how to run the final fine registration including a global bundle adjustment. With the last step you will learn how to interpret the final registration report and evaluate the registration quality. Let's start now with the first step. Once you have installed and licensed the automatic registration app, start the software by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. Press the New Project option and choose a folder where you want to save the project. The new project will have the name of the selected folder. When you drag and drop in the main window your Faro focus scans in FLS format, the scan processing wizard is automatically shown. The wizard guides you through the next steps: raw data import, pre-processing, automatic pre-registration, fine registration. The default import parameters include point cloud colorization. To change the default import parameters, you can go to the advanced settings and select a sub-sampling step or toggle the cloud colorization. Press Next to go on and enter in the second wizard page where you can choose the option to apply to your data. Choose Construction and Architectural if your scans include many planar surfaces. Choose Mining and Terrain if your scans have majority of curved or non-planar surfaces. If you have scanned with the active inclinometer, select the option Assume Vertical as known. Pressing the button Set Registration Roles per Scan, you can select which scan will be fixed as reference during the registration, and if you want to exclude any scan from the registration. Pressing Next again, the wizard summarizes the selected options. You are ready to start the elaboration by clicking Process. The raw data import starts and a progress bar informs about the status. More information is available in the log window. When a scan is imported, it appears in the project windows under the grid folder. Once the scans are all imported, the pre-processing step automatically starts. During this phase, the software automatically removes outliers, calculates point normals and evaluates the point's quality. There are default pre-processing parameters defined for each data format. To change the pre-processing parameters you can click Advanced Settings in the wizard. More information about the ongoing pre-processing are available in the log windows. At the end of the pre-processing, the grid icons in the project window are marked with a P. Automatically after the pre-processing step, the automatic pre-registration start. Goal of this phase is to bring all the scans in a state of course registration without the usage of any target or reference point. The software looks for similar surface elements between scans and computes the relative position of each scan with its neighbors accordingly. At the end of the process, you can check the correctness of the pre-registration. A toolbox appears and pressing the button Check Alignment pair by pair, the software loads scans pairs that have been registered together. Pressing the default View button, you visualize the first two scans. Selecting the Color by ID command, you can distinguish between the two scans and check if they are correctly pre-registered. Pressing Yes, the next pair are loaded. A useful mode to display a scan pair and evaluate the pre-registration quality is the horizontal slice view or the slice view to show vertical sections from the two scans. Pressing yes, all the pair are investigated and the final pre-alignment mean error is displayed. For models containing halls, stairs or other symmetric elements, it can happen that the scans are matched in a wrong way. If this happens, you can quickly click No and the software will propose you another solution to match your scans. This procedure is very efficient and effective against symmetries and other problems. If none of the proposed matches is correct, the software creates automatically 2 or more groups and you can manually set the alignment between groups. At the end of the pre-registration, a 2-step fine registration starts. First, each scan is precisely aligned with the neighbor scans with ICP. In the log windows, the pair-by-pair ICP registration errors is reported. Then the software runs a bundle adjustment with all the scans to minimize the global registration error among points. At the end of the bundle adjustment, you can evaluate the registration quality. A dialog reports the mean error of each pair-by-pair registration, average ICP error, and the error after the bundle, average registration error of corresponding points. For a good registration, the bundle error should be close to or smaller than the ICP error. Pressing OK, a PDF report is generated. At the beginning, the ICP and bundle mean errors are displayed. Then the detailed results are reported. With the report by edge sorted by error, you can verify each pair registration and, in case of large error, identify exactly where the misalignment occurs. In this case, you can manually adjust the problem. In some cases, it is enough to edit the scans removing noise, or add new scan to guarantee a larger overlap. At the end of the automatic alignment, all the scans can be loaded and you can verify the registration quality via a map view, a horizontal section view or a vertical section view. The aligned scans can be exported in standard formats like E57 to go back in Faro scene, or you can further elaborate your data using the Volume and Isolines Tools app.